Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to Fluent Ears English that speaks to you. I'm Emma, and today we're going shopping, yes, to the grocery shop. But before we begin, did you listen to our previous episode conversation at the bus stop? If not, I highly recommend it. It's short, super useful, and will boost your confidence in everyday conversations. Give it a listen after this one.
Hi Emma, got the shopping list.
Hey Ryan, yes, but I kind of made it in my head. Let's hope I remember everything. First, stop the fruits and vegetables section.
Sounds good. Oh wow, look at these apples. They're so shiny and fresh.
Yes, I'll grab a few. Do you want bananas too?
Definitely. Bananas are a staple in my diet.
Did you hear that word? Staple? A staple is something essential and used regularly. Example, a rice is a staple food in many countries, and now it's your turn. Make a sentence using the word staple and write it in the comment box. All right, what's next on our list?
We need bread, eggs, and some juice.
Let's split up to save time. I'll go grab the eggs. You take the bread.
Sure, meet you near the dairy section.
Done. Let's make it snappy.
Got the bread, you.
Yes, and I made sure none of the eggs were broken. You know me, always careful.
Yes, you don't believe in putting all your eggs in one basket.
Idiom time. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. It means don't rely on just one thing. Always have options. Example, don't invest all your money in one business. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. And now you try. Make a sentence with this idiom and write it in the comments. Anyway, let's get some snacks too. I feel like having some cookies today.
Great idea. And I'll get some lemonade. I need something refreshing.
Let's kill two birds with one stone. Snacks and drinks are in the same aisle. That's our second idiom. Kill two birds with one stone. To achieve two things with one action. Example, I visited my grandma and picked up my parcel on the way. Kill two birds with one stone. Your turn. Comment your own sentence using this idiom.
We're almost done. Let's head to the checkout.
Perfect. Oh wait, I forgot to get some spices. Give me a minute.
Okay, but don't take forever. Time is money.
Relax. I'll be back in a jiffy. Here's our third idiom. In a jiffy. It means very quickly. Example, I'll finish this podcast script in a jiffy. Now, write a sentence using this idiom and post it in the comments. Got the spices, let's go.
Great, let's check out.
That'll be 960 rupees.
Here is my card, thanks.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Okay, before we wrap up, let's take a moment to go over some really useful phrases you just heard in today's grocery shop conversation. So imagine this. You walk into a grocery store, and the first thing you say is, "Excuse me. Where can I find the..." This is such a handy phrase when you're shopping and can't locate something. You can say, "Excuse me, where can I find the milk?" Or, "Excuse me, where can I find the cooking oil?" Now, when you're not sure whether an item is still available, you can say, "Are you out of?" Ryan said, "Are you out of brown bread?" It's a polite and quick way to ask if something is sold out. Then comes one of my favorites. "Let me check in the back." The shopkeeper said this to Ryan when he wasn't sure about the stock. It means they will go look in the storage area. You'll hear this a lot in stores. And what about small talk while checking out? You might hear, that'll be, followed by the price, like, that'll be 300 rupees. It's a casual way cashiers tell you the total cost. And when you're paying with a card, you might say, I'll pay by card, or can I pay with cash? So these small but powerful phrases make your daily English feel natural and confident. Try using them next time you go shopping. And hey, if you want to practice, write your own sentence using any of these phrases in the comments. I'll be checking. Before we go, here's your grammar nugget. Use some in positive sentences and any in questions or negatives. Examples, I bought some eggs. Do we have any juice left? Easy. Right? Now try making your own examples and share them in the comments. Today we learned vocabulary, staple, idioms. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Kill two birds with one stone. In a jiffy, grammar tip, use of some and any. Thanks for joining us on Fluent Ears English that speaks to you. If you want to test your learning, we've prepared a fun quiz based on today's episode. Go to our community post and try it now. The link is given in the description and the comment box below. See you in the next episode. And until then, keep learning, keep growing.